bread to edible plants. How about that? We're gonna create the seasoning for your bread, Buddha. That's what we're gonna have. All right, we have Buna here from Basil and Rose in Bountiful, and you have some great classes, but you also have some plants here that you're going to teach us we can grow ourselves and eat.
Yes. So all of my houseplants are edible.
All of them?
All of them. Yes. And so when people say I can't grow any of my own food, I say, well, because they live in an apartment, I say, well, do you have houseplants? Yes.
So you're talking to me because I'm somebody that would be like, I can't have a garden, but actually I can.
Yes.
Let's start first. Just tell us a little bit about your store, your shop.
Okay. So we focus on edible plants, herbs, organic gardening supplies, and things with that theme. So whether it's jewelry, dish towels, whatever, it's that theme.
I love it.
And a lot of Utah companies and artists.
So we're helping everybody out, whether you live in an apartment or you just want to have some extra stuff around the house to add to your dinner.
Right.
Let's start with this one over here. What is it?
This is an orange.
Oh, it's going, okay, so we're obviously waiting on the orange.
Yes.
How big of an orange will it be? Do we know yet?
This one I don't know for sure.
What kind is it?
It's a Tahitian orange.
Okay.
I have, I think, 3 different kinds of oranges at my store, houseplants.
Okay.
And this one's a sunquat, so it's like a kumquat.
Right there.
There's the fruit right there, and it's starting to get other flowers on it.
Oh, yeah.
Citrus, bloom, and fruit all at the same time. It's not like they bloom, fruit, they're done.
Right.
They can be doing it all together.
Right.
So there's lots of citrus you can grow indoors.
And you've never tasted this one before, you
No, because it's a new thing.
New thing, I like it.
You eat the whole fruit like you would a kumquat. You don't peel it.
Interesting. Okay. I like it. And then what about these two right in front of me?
So also herbs are a great thing. You can grow spinach, chives, arugula, all kinds of things indoors. This is lemon verbena. So
What? That's in my lotions.
yes. It has a wonderful lemon scent, but you can use it for flavoring. Fruit salads, fish, chicken, or just enjoy it.
I mean, that smells delightful. Should I taste that?
If you'd like to.
I'll hold this. Okay, can I just peel off a little leaf?
Yeah. How's that?
I mean, I feel like I'm eating grass at the moment.
Well, it's a wonderful lemon.
It tastes exactly like it smells. Wow, and that smells good. And then of course you have the oregano. Let's talk about the houseplant tips.
So pot size, when you're repotting a plant, only go about 2 inches bigger in diameter. Don't take a little plant and put it in a really big pot.
Okay.
Make sure there's holes in the bottom for drainage.
Of course, yes.
Make sure that you don't water on a schedule. So don't water like every Saturday. Actually stick your finger into the soil and check soil moisture
And that's
frequently, and then water thoroughly when you water.
This is why I kill all my plants.
That can be a big reason. Overwatering is a big
Or
thing.
underwatering, either or, right, on my end. Explain the diameter one more time for us, what you were saying. How would you know if you've never planted something before, how big of a diameter to do?
So if these shouldn't need repotted for a long time, but let's say the oregano, it's getting bigger, you want to put it in a bigger pot, or you bought it in a smaller pot, you just want to go a couple inches bigger. So this would go to this size.
I'm with you. Okay.
And then if you need to repot it again, just go a couple inches bigger from that.
That makes sense. Keep on going. But keep these in your kitchen probably, if you know, or wherever. But in the kitchen, and then you can use them. You can just, I love it when I see people, you know, they just grab it right off of their plant, and there you go. They've got the mint, or they've got whatever it is.
Mint is another great one. And I have classes. I actually have 2 edible houseplants classes coming up.
Okay.
Because the first one already filled up. Unless somebody canceled, you could always ready check. But there's a website. You can go to my website that was just shown there to see what classes there are, not just for this, but for other things.
So you do all sorts of classes, jewelry classes too as well?
So I haven't had that yet, but I have had other people come in and teach microgreens and painting and flower arranging. So you can just go on there, and of course it's updated regularly.
Something for everybody. I love it. Well, thank you so much. All right, Buddha, what's coming up?